Hello everyone, Nasir here from Financial Markets Club. Crude oil is looking interesting to me as always. We've had amazing volatility since the Russian-Ukraine issue started. So recently we've had crude oil drop back down. In my last video I was talking when Brent crude went as high as around 125. My last video I was talking about how this could pull down to around 105, and well, interestingly enough, we did get that. We actually got more than that. I didn't really expect it to sort of dip below this sort of level, but it did, and it came very close to 100, which worries me actually, because I didn't really want it to come so close to 100. And then of course we had a push back up. So I would imagine we're going to try and sort of retest that 100-ish level again, somewhere nearby, probably around 102, and then head off up again. Let's just zoom out to see what's going on. So yeah, obviously Brent crude, we've had it drop from around here all the way down to around 100. What I'm expecting is for crude oil to sort of find some support around the 102-ish level, although we've got a really strong support around 100. But I'm just going to zoom out a bit more because I'm a little bit concerned. I'm concerned because we've got a situation where if Brent crude does dip below around at the 98-ish level, then the whole situation could change dramatically. This last dip down to around 100, I didn't really expect it. I didn't really want it to sort of dip below this last low, but it did. So that raises a few question marks in my mind. So when it comes to around 102, I'd probably want to sort of go into a buy position, stay on the long side, but I'd have a tight stop loss of some kind just below here, because if this level is breached, then I think we're going lower. And again, we'll probably find that the circumstances in the market and the geopolitics, something has changed in some form or another. So for now, I'd like to just sit on the sidelines, wait for crude to sort of take some direction, probably around 102. If it doesn't, and obviously it breaks above the 109-ish level, then I'd be happy to go into a buy position. But for now, I need Brent crude to come to around 102 or around 109, 110-ish for me to be able to make a decision in terms of trading crude. Yeah, like I said, I think it's highly probable that we're going to see Brent crude come down to around 102. From there, we're going to see it bounce back up. If it does bounce back up and it doesn't breach that low that it made recently of around 100.5, then in that case, I would expect Brent crude back to around 115, possibly 120. Around 115, 120, I'd sort of have to look at it again. I can't be sure what's next after that. It'd be too far out. So let's see. Let's try and take a long position for around 102 and take this up to around 115, 120. If that doesn't happen and Brent crude oil breaks below 100 level, then we should go into the short side. In which case, I'll make another video to see where this might be going. Also, if I could ask you to just throw in a quick like on my video, please, and subscribe to my channel so you can get updates on my videos as they come up. Really appreciate the support, and let's try and grow this channel to help out as many people as possible.